So I'm sharing an example of grade 5 sight singing for the piano exam, and you'll notice it has exactly that interval at the end, the perfect fourth from the dominant to the tonic in G. We're in the key of G, so when you look at it, you should realize you're going to sing the tonic first, and then you come back to the tonic at the end. Looking over this before you start singing is a lot like sight reading. When you do the sight reading examples, you want to, it's not just like picking out random notes and trying to sing them in order. You want to see that you start and end on the tonic. You want to see that you're going to sing that fourth that you've been practicing, and you'll also want to see when the leading tone comes in. So the trickiest interval will probably be the first one. But you know that from practicing your skips like I just suggested in the last video. Actually, if you practice those steps, your temptation might be to do just that. Da, 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 da. And then you realize you've gone too far because you see the E again. So just like I mentioned in the grade 4 example, it's also testing you. Do I see that that's the same note I just sang? And so I want to go back to it. Da, 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 da. So I'm remembering what I sang before. I'm noticing some intervals that I'm familiar with. I'm noticing some scale degrees that I'm familiar with. And then I try and put the whole thing together. What you should do with this example is not only sing it in G, you could jump down to D and practice it the same way. Da, da, dee, da, da, da. You might need to play it before you sing it as you jump around to keys, but that's another step that you can use to practice.